What's that called on here?
Should be under the name of the race for the Walter Combs. Should be.
Okay, so I'm heard the mic that I'm on was 2. On the way back
Once again, it is the Walter Pegg Combs Memorial, 4,000 to win for the American All-Stars Series. But right now, it is the Mountain Motor Speedway Sport Mod class out there. And right now, they are hot lapping and qualifying together. Jason Hall in the 911 currently fast time with a 15.544. Caleb Creech with a 15.960. New points qualifying leader Dustin Mosley, 15.540. But then Jason Hall passes him, 15.508. Wow, we had 3 different drivers have the fast time in this hot lap session. But when it's finished, don't want to speak too soon. Checkered flags have fallen. Creech going to come across for the last time. Dustin Mosley, fast qualifier, 15.393 for the Duck. Dustin Mosley, fast time. Yeah, but you may check for a race receiver. Going into tonight, Caleb Creech led the points, 294. Jason Hall with 260. Estel McIntosh was in the top 3, but he's not here. So that's going to open up the doors for Will Likens and Riley Fields. Both of those guys will look to finish in the top 3 in points. They reset next Saturday night, and one of those gentlemen could be your fall champion. Riley Fields able to ease up into the top 4 in qualifying. He's got a 15.869, 15.869. Will Watkins with a 16.428, 16.428. Little loop-de-loop there for the 26 car. That'll slow Jesse Weddles down, 19.294. So once again, race fans, put your hands together for the Sport Mod Fast qualifier driver of the number 19 from Hyman, Kentucky. They call him the Duck, Dustin Mosley. Feltner, Brock, and I've got one more car. 63 is who, ma'am? American All-Star Series, you need to be in the chute. They're getting ready to rock and roll and head without you. Guys qualifying pretty important. right here at Mountain Motor Speedway. So if you plan to qualify, late models, you need to be in the chute. Late models, you need to be in the chute. Next up is the Mountain Motor Speedway Hobby Stocks. Car number 8 is Chuck Cottle. Car number 23, Danny Fields. Car number 1 is Harley Holcomb. Number T4 is Jeff Stambo. Harley Holcomb to the pole with a 17.464. All four of these gentlemen continuing to work their round around the speedway. Still going to be Holcomb with the time to beat. 17.464. Jeff Stamper, I beg your pardon, Sean Stamper now up to the second spot. 17.546. Stamper got himself a good run coming out of 4. If he can hit that thing open, he may have a fast qualifying time. Does he? Oh, yes, he does. How about it for Sean Stamper on that last lap? He got the pole. 17.211. 17.211 so far. Time to beat in the 32S of Sean Stamper. Car number 23 will be Danny Fields from right here in Letcher County, Kentucky. Car number 145 will be Braden Noble. And the LC2 will be Carter Shuffler. Last call again, guys. Late models, you need to be in the staging lane. Late models, your qualifying times are coming up next, gentlemen. How about Danny Fields jumping up and grabbing him a top 3 qualifying time, 17.319. Braden Noble to the top 3. Noble second fast qualifier, 17.259. White flag fell, coming up for the checkered right here now. Danny Fields, 17.399. That's good enough for 4th. Carter Shuffler with an 18.026. And race fans holding on to the hobby stock fast qualifying time. Put your hands together for car number 32, Sean Stamper. So that's going to be a ton of fun. Now, everybody will be here to race. Hey, thank you very much. No, they say they can't hear me over here, so we'll turn it up just a little bit more. Thank you. We'll do the best that we can, race fans. And again, guys, here we go, getting ready to turn them loose here at Mountain Motor Speedway in Isom, Kentucky. 4 cylinders on track now for us here. Car number 28, last time out, he was our Mountain Motor Speedway 4-cylinder champion with an winner, I should say. 18.206 fast qualifier so far tonight. Dagan Joseph with a 19.118. Nathan Holbrook with a 19.278. So again, Caleb Maggard fast time so far tonight, 17.823, 17.823. Brandon Fouts just behind him with a 14.478, and Kevin Coffer in the top 3. Here we go for the Mountain Motor Speedway 4 cylinders. Next group out, car number 72 is Scott Holland. Holland got himself a nice looking ride. Right now, still the time to beat. Caleb Maggard with a 17.823. Colby Bush and Scott Holland second and third. Colby Bush and Dagan Joseph top 5. Still yet time to beat. Caleb Maggard with a 17.823. Corey Ford just beat him though. Corey Ford with a 17.688. New fast time, Corey Ford. Bush with a nice top 3, qualifying time 17.849. So again, top qualifier in the car number 71. Race fans, put your hands together for Corey Ford.